For years, building a Power BI dashboard required you to be an expert in DAX formulas and data modeling. If you weren't a data analyst, it was intimidating. But in 2026, that barrier is gone. Microsoft Copilot is now baked directly into Power BI, turning plain English into powerful analytics. Copilot in Power BI is a built-in assistant that lets you interact with data using conversational language instead of code. Think of it as a level 2 Copilot. The AI handles the heavy lifting, but you are still the one driving. You review, you edit, and you approve. But there are 4 things Copilot can do for you right now. First, report creation. Type "create a sales page for Q1" and it builds the layout. Second, visual summaries. Ask it to explain a chart, and it writes a paragraph on trends and outliers. Third, DAX formula writing. Tell it what you want to calculate, and it gives you the exact code. And fourth, narrative generation. It can draft a professional executive summary. The workflow is simple. Open your report, click the Copilot button, and describe your goal. Copilot generates a draft. But remember, never accept it blindly. Cross-reference key numbers against your raw data to ensure accuracy. You can use follow-up prompts, like "change this to a line chart" to refine the design. To use this safely, follow 3 rules. 1. Always verify. Check the math. 2. Use precise language. Instead of sales data, ask for specific metrics. 3. Clean your data model. Crucially, only use your corporate account with enterprise data protection to keep your data secrets private. Copilot builds the dashboard, but your judgment determines if the story is true. If this helped, like and subscribe to AI Buzz. Thanks for watching.